Okay, here's the third video on building walk-in cooler and wood kiln project. This is the kiln area here. I insulated it after studs were in, and I ran two dedicated circuits, one for in the kiln area with two receptacles in that will run a dehumidifier, a heater if needed, and fans. Now this area over here is actually the cooler area, the walk-in cooler section. That's where the air conditioner will go in. I ran a dedicated circuit into here with two receptacles that will run the air conditioner, and I don't know what the other receptacle's for. Just put it in just in case. Back there through that doorway is a area that will be canned goods storage for when she does her canning. We'll put shelves in here for canning. So this is it so far. Need a little more insulation. I ran out of insulation, but come along. Next is to go purchase what I'm going to put on these walls. I think that's going to surprise you. I don't think you'll probably see this one coming, but it's something that I think will work out really good. So stay tuned for the next video, and we'll show you that part of it. By the way, if you didn't watch the first two videos, there should be a link right here somewhere to get you back to those videos. Okay, see ya.